Just bought a new camera bag, a camera bag that goes over your shoulder, and I will share with you why I think this is quite impressive bag to have with you when you go on a small trip or somewhere in a crowd or some professional shooting. I want to fit just a few things in my camera bag, but my backpack, lower pro backpack, is too heavy and it's for bigger shooting. So when I'm on a wedding shooting in a church, when I'm shooting event, when I'm in some another town, want to shoot for myself, for YouTube, for my Instagram account, for my family, I want to have quite a smaller bag that I can fit fewer things. This is a Manfrotto camera bag. This is model A6, I think, but I will put down link down below so you can figure out what is camera bag that I'm using, and maybe you can choose between different sizes. This is not sponsored video, I bought it with my own money. So I went out today to shoot this video about this camera bag that I show and my impression, my mini review of it. And this is a place where I'm now. As you can see, it's amazing viewpoint here in nature near Split. So actually Split is in this direction. First pocket, and I fit here polarizer filter and some notebook pen. Yeah, that's basically it, but can fit more stuff inside. Another pocket from this side is right here, and I fit inside. This is a remote controller, power bank, and the main part is here. Ta-da! So this is two pockets. In first one have some filter ring. Here I have some visit cards, business cards. This is my Canon 6D with 70-300 Tamron telelens, which is quite long, but this hole is quite deep. I can put it like this or like this. So it has 3 departments. It has thick padding, as you can see. It's quite soft and can easily save your camera gear. So this is flash. In this pocket batteries, and I put this rain cover, so if there is a heavy rain you can cover it with this thing. I also tested this camera bag, actually repels drops from rain, from water. In next department, okay, I will take this out. In next department, so this is like another padding that you can remove. Everything is removable, and you can modify your camera bag as you want. And this is 70-40 millimeter f4 Canon lens, so it has a lot of space here, and I can maybe fit something else here. So I wasn't pushing boundaries of this camera bag. Okay, stay. And yeah, so this is how it looks like inside. You can remove this stuff, quite spacey. In a minute I'll show you how it looks like on my shoulder. You will see that it's not so big, but I wanted a bigger camera bag that can fit few lenses, flash, as I said, camera itself, and few other extra gadgets. So it goes like this. This is very comfortable, as I said. I can just unzip it pull out my camera, do whatever I need and put it down. So this is quite impressive viewpoint, a small house near the road. And this is how it looks like, and you can charge your phone right here. Enjoy the view. Voila! So inside camera bag I have now my drone equipment, because I just flew drone, and as you can see, everything fit nicely. Here is the drone itself. Here is a remote controller. This is spare batteries. Here I have a charger, car charger, and also this rain cover that I explained earlier. Here, in this department, I put my Polar Pro ND filters. This is also business cards, micro SD cards. Okay, and in this apartment here, I have spare propellers. This is a small practical camera bag that can fit your camera gear, drone gear, and that can, I don't know, help you organize stuff and go easily out and shoot whatever you have to do. So reasons why I'm impressed with this camera bag is because it has fat and nice padding that can protect my gear, because I can fit all my gear inside and necessary gear and keep a low profile. It is waterproof, and because I see build quality inside this camera bag, and also because this shoulder strap is really nice and comfortable to wear. Thank you guys for joining me to this video. I hope it was helpful to you who are searching for shoulder camera bag for your equipment. I actually look a few different camera bags, but always was something that did not fit my gear or did not fit my expectation or quality. This is my high recommendation. So goodbye to nature for today, and I'm going home to eat something. I'm starving. Thank you guys for support. You can press notification bell, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you didn't already, and guys, happy new year, happy 2020 year. I wish you all the best and all success that you want for yourself, and see you around in this 2020. Bye bye.